Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to use UPDF free PDF editor platform software. That one is really amazing, unique productivity designing free PDF editor platform. We will see detailed demonstration how to use it and how to install. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So simply open here new tab and just put it here updf.com. So such kind of framework are come here. Look at this. This is one of the unique predictive designful free PDF editor software, and that one is the support for Windows, Mac and iOS other smartphone devices. Also we can little bit scroll down here, view annotation of PDF, edit text PDF, edit image PDF, manage pages and convert PDF. So much more options are available here. Such kind of frameworks are come after installations. One of the most important thing, this is the application also available for the iOS and Android smartphone devices. So it's really amazing if you visit on this particular platform and learn much more thing regarding this one. Important point, this software is absolutely free. So now we will see demo. Before start demo, we need to sign up here. So I just simply sign up here using my Gmail address. So my login is successfully done. Look at this here, my pictures are come. Now we will see get free point of view. You need to install the software. Currently I am accessing this platform on my Mac operating system, so that point of view my application editor are automatically open here, App Store, and I simply download here UPDF unique PDF editor software. That one is really small amount of software size. After finish the installation, I just simply open here, and this is a simple framework of the software. We can log in here simply using my Gmail address. I already sign up. So now I open here one of file, got it. So now here top of the screen three options are come: comment, edit and page. So we will see one by one. First of all, comment point of view, here several options are come: highlight, dash. So simply I select this one and just simply dash the particular line or paragraph like this. Underlined options are available. So this particular options you can very easily underline. So suppose for example you are supervisor and you telling someone, okay, this paragraph you can rephrasing and all, so that point of view you can put it here. Some other comment related options are available here. Here text box related options also available like this, and you can put it here your content related information. So that one is really amazing, and then you can very easily save this particular document and then send your student or someone else. Now we will see how to edit. I just simply click the edit and look at this here. The entire paragraph is automatically select here, this paragraph, this and this. Now I just simply write here, hello, I am the Research Rocks and you are the C of UPDF. So here one of the important points come here. I just simply type here third party words, and those words are automatically considered this particular font size. I am not changing anything. That point of view, it's really amazing. You can select this text and you can change this particular text color, like here also if you want change this particular color, and you change this particular image. So you can change this image, select one of the your own image. As a demo point of view, I just simply put it here some of the examples. So look at this, I am put it here image on image. You can change this image also like this, otherwise you replace image on my this image. So look at this, here I change the image very easily, even at the sentence also. So I put it here this particular image. So one of the important point come here, if you select this particular font, and you can change this font size also. So you can decide like a regular or any other font size, rectangular. You can increase the even font size also. So if you want increase other text font size of your work, so that one is really amazing software. And the matching of this particular images look like this. I replace this image, I'm not doing anything, automatically fix out earliest image, just replace on this particular portion. And next point come here, pages. So look at this, now I want change this page number size, like for example like page number 8 or page number 1, or page number 8 comes here, page number 2. and then very easily save this particular file and use wherever I exactly use. And you can delete also some pages like this. I want delete this pages also, 2 pages, entire pages I delete, and just I simply again page size and then simply save this particular document, and then I close. Again I open. So look at this, just only 3 pages are available here. It's very amazing software for the putting some comments, edit the text file, and changes some images or add images, as well as modify your pages or delete your pages using UPDF platform. Hope you like this video. Before leaving, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.